Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our AI series. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, how AI is woven into our everyday lives, often in ways you might not even realize. But stick with me until the end, because I've got a surprise use case for AI that might just blow your mind. I'll drop a few hints along the way, so see if you can guess what it is before the big reveal. Ready? Let's get started. Let's start with something you probably interact with daily, voice assistants. Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. These names are almost like family now, right? These AI-driven helpers have become our go-to for everything from setting alarms to finding out who won last night's game. But have you ever wondered how they seem to get better at understanding you over time? Here's a little clue about our surprise. Think about how these assistants listen and adapt. They're not just following commands, they're learning from each interaction, so keep that in mind as we move forward. AI's ability to learn and adapt is key to our mystery use case. Next up, recommendation systems. Have you ever noticed how Netflix always seems to know what you're in the mood for, or how Spotify nails your music taste with those personalized playlists? That's AI working behind the scenes, analyzing your past choices and comparing them with millions of others to serve up exactly what you're looking for. But here's another hint. Think about how these recommendations often seem to come out of nowhere, almost like magic. AI is using vast amounts of data to anticipate what you'll like, sometimes even before you know it yourself. This predictive power of AI is something to keep in mind as we get closer to our surprise. Now let's step into the world of smart homes. Imagine walking into your house and the lights automatically dim to your favorite setting, the thermostat adjusts to the perfect temperature, and your favorite playlist starts playing. Sounds like the future, right? But it's happening now thanks to AI. Smart home devices are constantly learning from your habits. They know when you wake up, when you leave for work, and when you like to unwind. They take all this data and create an environment tailored just for you. Here's another clue. Consider how AI can create these personalized environments based on your daily patterns. This ability to customize experiences is a big part of our surprise use case. AI isn't just making our homes smarter, it's also revolutionizing healthcare. Imagine a world where diseases are detected early, treatments are tailored specifically to your genetic makeup, and medical errors are a thing of the past. AI is making all this possible. One of the most exciting developments is predictive diagnostics. AI can analyze data from your health records, genetic information, and even wearable devices to spot potential health issues before they become serious. It's almost like having a crystal ball for your health. But here's something to think about. AI's ability to predict and prevent. What if this could be applied in a way that's completely unexpected? Keep that idea in mind as we move on. Let's hit the road, literally, with AI in transportation. We've all heard about self-driving cars, and while they're not quite mainstream yet, AI is already making our journeys safer and more efficient. Autonomous vehicles use AI to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and even make decisions in real time. And it's not just cars. AI is optimizing delivery routes, reducing traffic congestion, and even helping public transit systems run more smoothly. Here's your final clue before the big reveal. Think about AI's ability to navigate and make decisions in real time. How could this be used in a way that goes beyond transportation? How might AI's decision-making capabilities surprise you? All right, you've stuck with me this far, and it's time for the big reveal. What's the surprising way AI is being used that you might not expect? Drum roll, please. It's AI in creative arts. Yes, you heard that right. AI isn't just about making our lives easier or more efficient, it's also being used to create art, music, literature, and even film. Imagine a painting created by an AI that learns from the styles of history's greatest artists, or a piece of music composed by an AI that can tap into the emotional depth of human creativity. Remember the clues? AI's ability to learn and adapt from voice assistants, its predictive power in recommendation systems, its personalization in smart homes, its foresight in healthcare, and its decision-making in transportation. All these elements come together in the creative process. AI can analyze vast amounts of creative works, understand patterns, and even generate original pieces that resonate with human emotions. But what's truly fascinating is how AI isn't just copying existing styles, it's beginning to innovate and push the boundaries of creativity, collaborating with artists to explore new possibilities. So the next time you listen to a new song, admire a painting, or even read a poem, you might just be enjoying the fruits of AI's creative labor. AI is everywhere, from the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, making our lives easier, more efficient, and now more creative. It's not just a tool, it's a collaborator, a partner in innovation, and a source of endless possibilities. So as AI continues to evolve, who knows what other surprising roles it might take on in our lives. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for next week's episode, where we'll dive into the AI tools and frameworks that make all these incredible applications possible. See you then.